Thank you and welcome to all family, friends, faculty, staff, administrators, and North Penn School District Board of Directors for joining us this evening as we celebrate the class of 2025 on this 17th day of June.
You have spent over 14,000 hours confined within the walls of a classroom for this very moment. You've spent probably about 800 hours doing homework or studying for tests, 300 hours driving to and from school, and 1,600 minutes waiting in line at the cookie corner. And after the blood, sweat, and tears of AP exams, finals, and SATs, you made it here.
Each and every one of you has made innumerable sacrifices and have poured out your entire mind, body, and spirit for this very cap and gown.
Today marks the culmination of not just 4 years of high school, but 13 years of growth, grit, and perseverance.
I must look into my own rearview mirror, because the truth is, I didn't get here alone. Thank you to my dad, Ty Wynn. He actually doesn't even know I'm speaking today, so hello. My father left everything behind, all for a future he could barely imagine. He came for me so I could dream freely. He gave up his own dreams so I could have mine. Bah, every door I open, every goal that I reach, it is yours too. I am who I am because of you.
As Christopher Robin said in Winnie the Pooh, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Stepping outside your comfort zone forges you into the person you are meant to be. Think of ways you can step outside your comfort zone every day.
As you stand on the threshold of what comes next, college, careers, the military, or paths still being discovered, I want you to remember this. The future is not something to fear. It is something to shape. And if your time at North Penn has shown us anything, it's that you are more than ready.
By the power vested in me by the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and the North Penn School District Board of Directors, I now pronounce you graduates. Congratulations!